Hello, this is Justine Mara Anderson, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about my class, Ink Like the Masters. A couple years ago, we sold the client on this idea of doing 4 pages of comics. Terrific, glorious 4 pages of funny papers. I had to learn how to draw like Charles Schultz. I had to learn how to draw like Hal Foster. I had to learn how to draw like Bill Watterson. I had to learn how to draw exactly like Winter McKay. But I realized when I got into it that each of these artists had their own language of line, and they made choices based on this language of line. This deep study led me to a number of realizations, and I'm going to share all of it with you. Why did they choose to draw this way? How did they make their choices work? And how much it matters how you choose to apply line to the artwork you've created. So we're going to really go in depth here. I'm going to talk a lot about what I learned, and I'm going to have you doing exercises so that you can learn a lot of this with me. I think this is a great journey and a great opportunity. It was for me. I know it will be for you as well. Come join us in Ink Like the Masters.